Hello, and welcome to Brainteaser number 4. So in Brainteasers 2 and 3, we looked at two different ways that you can convert a repeating decimal to a fraction. And then this brought up a question that is going to turn into Brainteaser number 4, and that is 0.9 repeating the same thing as 1? Well, let's take a look. And if you haven't looked at Brainteasers 2 and 3, then go ahead and take a look at those now so that you'll better understand what comes next. Here we go. All right, so today we're going to explore the question, is 0.9 repeating the same as 1? Well, let's go ahead and start by looking at our proof that involves simultaneous equations. So we start like this, x equals 0.9 repeating. And then we multiply both sides of that equation by 10. And we can do that because the rules of equations say as long as I do the same thing to both sides of the equation, it stays equal. So now I'm going to solve these two equations simultaneously by subtracting the top guy from the bottom. So I'm going to rewrite. And again, I'm allowed to do that because if x equals 0.9 repeating, then subtracting x from this side and subtracting 0.9 repeating from this side is doing the same thing to both sides of this equation. So let's do that. And then as I complete my solving, I find that in fact, x, which was equal to 0.9 repeating, does equal 1. So these two things are equal. Well, let's try it again using the second method, the geometric series method. So let's remember that. So for this method, 0.99999 could be rewritten as a sum of geometric sequence numbers, and that looks like this, where 9/10 gives me the 9 in the first place, plus 9/100 gives me the 9 in the second place, plus 9/1000 gives me the 9 in the third place, ... And since these all have a common ratio, I know that this is in fact a geometric sequence. And I know that I can sum an infinite geometric sequence using this formula. The sum of an infinite sequence equals a sub 1, the first term, over 1 minus the common ratio. So using these numbers, that goes, which simplifies to, and once again, I have proven that 0.9 repeating equals 1. So there you have it. And as improbable as it seems for something written as 0.9999999 to equal 1, it becomes so infinitely close to 1 that it is actually considered 1. All right, so tease your brain with that concept for a while. If you've got a brain teaser you want us to explore, send it to me or leave it in the comments. Consider subscribing so that you can be alerted when I put out a new video, and we can keep on mathing.